Click on the link below to get price. The 18,000W vertical wind turbine generator kit presents an interesting option for those interested in renewable energy solutions. With its distinctive 3-blade Helix design, this wind turbine aims to harness wind energy efficiently. As the need for sustainable energy sources continues to grow, products like this one offer an alternative that may appeal to environmentally conscious consumers and those looking to reduce their reliance on traditional power sources. At the forefront of this wind turbine's design is its vertical orientation. Vertical wind turbines, such as this model, are known for their ability to capture wind from any direction, which can be particularly advantageous in a variety of geographic locations where wind patterns may shift frequently. This model is rated at 18,000 watts, indicating a significant potential output for energy generation, depending on wind availability. The turbine is designed to operate at a voltage of 24 volts, which is a common specification for off-grid renewable energy systems. This feature makes it relatively versatile, as it can be integrated into various systems, such as battery storage setups for home use or larger energy projects. Additionally, the 3-blade design not only enhances aesthetic appeal but also contributes to improved efficiency in energy capture. Installation of the turbine is a critical aspect to consider. The kit typically comes with essential mounting hardware and guidelines to assist users in the setup process. However, potential buyers should take into account local regulations regarding wind turbine installations, as these can vary significantly by region. Proper placement is also essential, as it can impact the overall performance and efficiency of the turbine. Once installed, the turbine can help generate renewable energy, which can lead to reduced electricity costs over time. It can serve a variety of applications, from residential power needs to powering agricultural operations or small businesses. However, users may want to pair it with battery storage systems to optimize energy use, especially during periods of low wind. In conclusion, the 18,000W vertical wind turbine generator kit stands as a noteworthy option for those exploring renewable energy possibilities. Its unique design, combined with operational efficiency, presents a feasible choice for harnessing wind energy. As with any renewable energy investment, it is important for potential users to assess their specific needs and local conditions to ensure that this turbine aligns with their sustainability goals.